Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to solve second question for you from exercise 5.2, page number 106, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So he has given two multiple choice questions. We have to find out the right answer for the question. Let's read the first question. The 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 is. So he has given a series called 10, 7 and 4 so on, and we have to find the 30th term in this arithmetic progression. First of all, we know that the formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now he is asking for 30th term. So n is equal to 30. So a30 becomes a plus n is 30, 30 minus 1 is 29d. And now I need the values of a and d to calculate the 30th term of this arithmetic progression. A30 has become a plus 29d. So let's get the values of a and d from this series 10, 7, 4 and so on. What is the first term in the series? The series is 10, 7, 4 and so on. So what is the first term in this series? A is equal to 10 and d is equal to, what is the common difference? D is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 7 minus 10. The second term minus first term gives the common difference. So 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. So I got the common difference minus 3. Now I will substitute the values of a and d in the equation. A30 is equal to a plus 29d. So a30 is equal to, a is 10 plus 29 into d is minus 3. That is equal to 10, 9 3 is 27, 6 87, 10 minus 87. That is equal to minus 77. So what is the answer for this question? C, minus 77. So C is the answer. So how did I solve this question? He is asking for the 30th term in this arithmetic progression. So we know the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n represents the nth term of the arithmetic progression. So an represents the nth term in the arithmetic progression. And n is the number of the term, a is the first term, d is the common difference. So I have calculated the value of a30. a30 is equal to a plus 29d. And I have substituted the values of a and d in this equation and solved for a30. So I got the answer of minus 77. Hope this is clear. Let's move to the second part of this question. The 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus half 2 and so on is. So this is similar to the previous question we have solved, but he is asking for 11th term. So we know that nth term of the AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now a11 becomes, a is a plus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 into d, a plus 10d. a11 becomes a plus 10d. Now what is the a value? A is equal to, first term of the AP is minus 3, d is equal to, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to minus half minus of minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. Now let's substitute the values of a and d in this equation. a11 is equal to a plus 10d. a is minus 3 plus 10 into d is 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3, that is equal to 22. So we got a11 value as 22. So the answer is B. B is the answer. Hope this is clear. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise. Until then, see you.